If you take hard work as your weapon, patience as your shield, and prayer as your companion, then no power in this world can stop you from success. Every dream you carry in your heart is waiting for you to fight for it. Hard work is not just about sweating. It's about proving to yourself that nothing is impossible. When you commit fully, patience will protect you in the darkest moments. When results seem delayed and the world doubts your efforts, and prayer will remind you, you are never alone. A greater force is guiding you, even when you cannot see the path clearly. Many people quit because the journey feels too long. But here's the truth.